This is the Gasping Garbage script.
By Marion and Gianna.
Hi, my name is Gianna, and I'll be playing Drake and Drake's mom.
Hi, my name is Marion, and I'll be playing Nell and Gabby. Look out, the garbage is gasping!
Just be careful and write down the results carried on with the hypothesis.
Nell taps on the garbage can. Well, it does sound hollow.
I'm going to have a lecture with Gabby, because she thinks that the monster is a blood-sucking goblin.
Okay, that's perfect. Drake telephones Gabby.
Hello, Gabby. You don't need to worry. We looked at our information, and our analysis was correct.
The can won't stop shaking. It's relentless. Oh, well, that's good. I thought it wanted to eat me. Drake shuts the phone off. I got a precise answer, and I'm pretty sure it's correct.
Okay, I'll be checking the testing beakers.
I'll go get my microscope to see the goo up close.
All right, but I need it fast.
There's a moment of silence. Nell rushes into the laboratory. Here it is.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Drake poured the goo into the beakers to see that the problem is Gabby's dad yeast for the best bread in town. Well, I think that we should tell Gabby that the case of the gasping garbage is solved. Great job, partner.
I'll call her right now.
Drake calls Gabby.
Hello again, Gabby. The real problem is your dad's yeast. There's no monster living in your trash can.
Oh, okay. That makes a lot more sense to me.
Drake, now it's snack time. The end.